Hello, this is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer, just showing you a few of the machines that we have in stock right now. This is July 2013. We've got a little bit of everything right now. As you can see, we've got a large stock of used skid steer loaders. Walk forward. Got a little bit of everything right now. Just a good selection. Texas Skid Steer is located on Highway 199, 20 miles west of Fort Worth, Texas, in Springtown, Texas. Now, you can see all these machines that I'm showing you by going to our website at texasskidsteer.com. Y'all have a good day.